In version 6.4 of Vault, you'll find 3 noticeable improvements to the Rooms and Cameras section of the administration. So if I go into the settings, instead of Rooms and Cameras, you'll see it's now called Rooms and Devices. Made a little more sense as we add more types of devices you can actually stream from. Phones, tablets, encoders, and so forth. So now instead of Rooms and Cameras, it's called Rooms and Devices. When I actually go into this section, you'll see the look is a little bit different. I can reorder the various rooms that we have to make it easier to find the room that we use more often than not. So right now you can see it's just kind of in order of how we created it, but if I need to move a certain room to the top or another one down, however we need to do this, we can reorder those rooms. Just note that this is on a global level. So when you actually go to observe or record a room, it'll be in the new order in which we put them in. So if I want to bring them back, I can do that. Next, if I click on a room, you'll see that it actually shows all the cameras that are in here. This is a little bit different than we had in the past, and it's actually more aligned with how the users and groups work. Because different cameras and streaming devices are a part of a certain room, it makes sense to be able to click on that room and see what's associated. Again, similar to how the users and groups has always been set up, where I click on the group and I see the users that are in it. We can now do that with the rooms and cameras or other devices.